My stop lights are on, and there's nobody in the car. See, nobody in the car. Stop lights are on, right? So I'm gonna tap right now on the brake pedal. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do right now. Okay, see? So now they turned off. And here we are again, so you can see that the brake lights are on. Now we're gonna do this repair during the day. So let's get started. See this little white switch right there? Bring you over to this angle here. See how the operation of that is? Okay. Well, that switch is bad. So you're gonna need a 7mm for that bolt right there. And you're gonna take that loose. Excuse my mechanic band-aid there on my pinky. Now before you completely remove it, take note that it does have a little slot right there where it goes into, which I'll show you what slot I'm talking about right now. Here, if you compare it to the new part, this is the slot I'm talking about. There's a little rod that goes basically right in there, and right now we're taking the screw that is on this area right here where the little brass nutsert is. Okay, so once you've pulled your switch out, you're gonna want to put your nail or get a pick or a little flathead screwdriver. You're gonna want to pry up on this white plastic, as you just saw that I kind of pried up there. All right, so you see how I kind of pulled that up just now? Okay, now that's gonna allow you to depress this little plastic. I don't know if you can see that on video, but now that I'm doing that, you're gonna press down simultaneously while you pull out on the switch itself. Now let's get our new one here and reconnect. Do everything the same in the same reverse process. Make sure you clip that little white plastic down. Now before we go on with the sensor, there's two things you got to bear in mind. One is you got to slide the sensor on to that little pole right there, right? And then the other thing you got to take note of is you see that slit right here. I'm pointing at it with the top leg on our brake light switch. There's a little slit right there. This pin right here at the back of our sensor needs to be on, it needs to ride onto that little slit as located right there, like I mentioned, right on the top leg. Okay, and then the hole back here is the one that's going to utilize this bolt hole. Okay, so these two are going to be in line. In other words, this one is going to be in line with this bolt. All right, so let's go ahead and give it a go. Need to make sure I get right on that. Okay, I'm right on it. Now I gotta pivot the whole switch. See, I'm kind of basically putting it under tension here. Well, there we go, it just went in. Okay, so now I'm ready, but now I'm gonna need my other hand so I can run the bolt through. See how I'm real close? That one's gone in. Now I just gotta align the bolt hole, but my bolt's about to fall off my hand. So I managed to get my bolt in there, but now I still gotta continue putting that screw in, because if I let go, it's all gonna pop out. So I'm just gonna keep tightening away. Now I'm gonna get my buddy here to press on the brakes, and they work. Okay, let go. All right, they work. Well, hopefully this video solved your problem. Until next time, guys, y'all be safe.